In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fast forward effect in Canva videos. This effect is great for time lapses, quick montages, or speeding through routine steps to keep your video snappy and engaging. We'll walk through exactly where to click and how to preview the results so you can dial in the right look without guesswork. Start by opening Canva in your browser and loading the video project you're working on. Once the project is open, head to your timeline and click to select the specific video clip you want to speed up. You'll know it's selected when you see it highlighted and the editing options appear in the toolbar. With the clip selected, look for the playback option, then choose speed. This opens the speed control for that clip. You'll see a slider that lets you increase the playback speed. Drag the slider to the right to make the clip faster. Common choices like 2x or 4x work well for a clear, fast forward effect. As you speed up the clip, notice that its duration shortens on the timeline, which helps tighten pacing and keep your audience's attention. Keep in mind that speeding up a clip also speeds up its audio, so if there's talking in that section, it will sound faster as well. Now preview the clip to see how it looks. Hit play in the timeline or use the preview button to watch it back at the new speed. Pay attention to how the motion feels. You want it fast enough to convey momentum but still readable if any on-screen actions matter. If it feels too frantic or not fast enough, simply move the slider again and preview once more until it feels right. Repeat this process for any other clips you want to accelerate. Keeping similar speeds across related clips can make your video feel cohesive, but it's also perfectly fine to mix speeds if you want certain moments to race by while others are just moderately sped up. Let the story you're telling guide your choices. When you're happy with the results, you can either continue editing or move on to exporting your video. If you export now, choose the resolution and format that best fits where you plan to publish, and you'll be ready to share your polished, fast-paced edit. And that's it. That's how you create a fast forward effect in Canva. Thanks for watching.